Hello, welcome to AMPRO. This short video will take us through asset reminders. Each asset can have a reminder set to remind something to be done against the asset or for the asset. Open up the required asset, select reminders, select add, place in the description of what this reminder is all about, set the frequency and the frequency type. And then when you want to see it, backdate it by the frequency value. So for instance, if I want to see that in a week's time, I just backdate 12 months and go save. So now 12 months on, from the 14th of the 4th 2020, I'll have a reminder. Now the reminders show up in two ways. From functions, you can select reminders and you get the reminders that have been set up for your database, or when you start up. At both times, reminders have to be set permissions for non-admin users in the control center. Part 2 of the video is how to process the reminder. You can do this by one at a time by selecting process on the reminder that you require, and you have two options. You can just add a journal. So put in the work was done, this is all done, and you go add journal. Or you can, this is for Life Jacket 2, you can go process and you can create a job. Schedule a date when you want them to do it and create a job. If you wish to do all of these, you can select which ones you want to do and process down here and add a journal, and then add journal. Okay, that's how you process reminder.